All right, guys, first break of the night is going to be Series 1 Big Box from Hit Parade, and this is going to be break number 3. So we did our first 2 last weekend, and so we got our first of 2 tonight. So break number 3 altogether. Each spot gives you, 5 to 7 autographed items, and so it could be jerseys, helmets, bats, pictures, game-used items, all kinds of stuff. So you've got some cut signatures in here from Hank Aaron, Sandy Koufax. Steph Curry's got an autograph in here. You've got Patrick Mahomes' helmet. I think Odell Beckham and some other stuff as well. So in break number 3, I've got Sean H. with 1 spot, Brian G. with 1. Chris P. has got 1, Roy with 1, Michael P. with 2. Rick M.'s got 1, Michael A. with 1, Charles G. with 1, and then Jeff M. picked up the last spot. So we were filling those last 2 breaks up earlier this afternoon. So we're good to go on those. So first thing we'll do is go ahead and randomize the last name letters. So every spot gives you 2 random letters, 10 spots altogether. Because we only have 20 letters, got rid of some of the junk letters. So let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times. All right, let's randomize the guys in this one 5 times as well and then match them up. All right, get these sorted. All right, here we go. So Brian G, you've got S and E. Charles, you've got D and B. Chris P with K and H. Jeff has got J and T. Michael A with W and C. Michael P's got Y, R, A, and N. Rick with F and V. Roy's got M and G. And then Sean, you've got P and L. So it's not G and H this time, man. You've got 2 different letters, P and L. So there are your letters for break number 3 of Big Box. All right, so here we go. Donnie, Zach, what's going on, guys? So this is going to be break number 13 out of 25. So this one's in pretty good shape. It's all sealed up pretty good. All right, so here we go. All right, just their promotional stuff there. All right, let's get something good out of here. Here we go. First up is a jersey, and it's going to be a Golden Tate. Team he is no longer with, Detroit Lions, David Adams and Beckett certified. So you got a dual cert. Move this. Here's the auto and the 15. So last name T on that is going to Jeff. All right, let's see what's in this one. We got a Beckett certificate. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness. All right, so we got the hot corner, and there is a crap ton of signatures on this. This will definitely be a random. So on the picture, you got Brooks Robinson, looks like Craig Nettles, Mike Schmidt has got an auto right there in the middle. Wade Boggs, Evan Longoria, and then there's a whole lot of them. Let me try to get you guys up close on this one. So you see Mike Schmidt there. Look at all those autos, man. Looks like Pete Rose right there. See a Bobby Richardson on there. So there's a cert here. Let's see. Beckett letter of authenticity. All right, so there's 35 total signatures on here. Signatures include Evan Longoria, Pete Rose, Hall of Famers Mike Schmidt, Wade Boggs, Orlando Cepeda, and a whole lot more. So those are the names in particular that are listed. Dang, that's pretty awesome. All right, so that will be randomed at the end here. So let me sit this right down here. All right. Got a White Sox helmet. We've put a lot of White Sox helmets. It is a Rawlings Authentic helmet, JSA certified on the back, and I think that's Tim Raines. And it is Tim Raines. Hey man, maybe try a little reverse psychology there, Sean. Alright, so David Adams certified as well. Here's that cert. I don't see a JSA card down in there, even though it's got the sticker on the back. Alright, so that'll be last name R. So R on that's going to be Michael P. Looks like we got another one here. No, this is going to be hockey. Yeah, Michael P. got that one. Alright, now this is pretty cool. Got an LA Kings hockey helmet, still got the tags on it. There's the auto right there. And that's going to be a random too, because it's a Jonathan Quick. There's no Q letter. So Jonathan Quick, that'll be a random as well. And it is, looks like Steiner certified. It's got the card down in there. So 2 randoms to do. I don't know if, is that a good player? All right, we got a baseball. Oh, nice one here. Upper Deck certified. Here's this certification. Donnie's got cute. All right, there's the auto. Anybody got any guesses on that? It's gonna be a last name M, which will be Roy. It's gonna be Andrew McCutcheon. It's a nice pull there. It's MLB authenticated too. It's got the sticker on there. got one more. All right, another M. We got Kevin McHale. JSA certified Boston Celtics jersey. I think we pulled one of him recently. I don't know if it was last weekend or pulled in the last couple of big boxes. All right, and that's it for big box. So now we got to do these two randoms. So let me get this set up. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I got all 10 guys in this. So this will be for the hot corner multi-signed picture. So we'll randomize it 5 times. The name at the top after 5 is going to walk away with it. So here we go. Good luck. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, Sean, and 5 going to Rick. Rick, nice hit for you, dude. So Rick will have the hot corner multi-signed 16 by 20. Let's go ahead and do the helmet. So this will be the Jonathan Quick hockey helmet. Same deal. 5 times, name at the top after 5 gets it. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chris P. So Chris and Rick grabbing the 2 randoms. All right, so that'll do it for big box number 3. That was a good one right there. So hopefully we can keep it rolling here with number 4 coming up next.